A rare snowstorm swept across the U.S. Gulf Coast from Texas to Florida, paralyzing travel and claiming at least 11 lives. Simultaneously, a wildfire north of Los Angeles consumed over 9,400 acres on Wednesday, forcing tens of thousands to evacuate. Heavy snowfall and freezing temperatures caused fatalities in Texas, Alabama, and Georgia, primarily due to car accidents and hypothermia. Texas reported 7 deaths, Alabama 2, and Georgia 1. Snowfall records were shattered, with 7 to 8 inches recorded between New Orleans and Baton Rouge, surpassing New Orleans' previous record of 2.7 inches set in 1963. The storm disrupted air travel, with over 3,800 flights cancelled across Tuesday and Wednesday. Louis Armstrong New Orleans International Airport suspended all outgoing flights on Wednesday. Meanwhile, strong winds and dry conditions fueled a wildfire north of Los Angeles, quickly spreading across 9,400 acres. Los Angeles County authorities issued mandatory evacuation orders for 31,000 residents, with over 23,000 under evacuation warnings.